Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I am going to give you information regarding sample paper for AIMS Rishikesh Master of Public Health, that is MTH entrance exam for January 2023 session. And for online coaching and important question PDF notes, you can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exam, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Here question number first is pentavalent vaccine contains option A DPT, hepatitis B, pneumococcal, option B DPT, hepatitis B, IPV, option C DPT, hepatitis B, Haemophilus influenza B, option D DPT, Haemophilus influenza B, IPV. Correct answer is option C DPT, hepatitis B, Haemophilus influenza B. So pentavalent vaccine contains DPT, hepatitis B, Haemophilus influenza B. Its explanation is a pentavalent vaccine, also known as 5-in-1 vaccine, is a combination vaccine with 5 individual vaccines conjugated into one. Pentavalent vaccine frequently refers to the 5-in-1 vaccine protecting against diphtheria, tetanus, whooping cough, hepatitis B and Haemophilus influenza type B, which is generally used in middle and low income countries where polio vaccine is given separately. Next question number second is the state of being diseased or unhealthy within a population means. What is the state of being diseased or unhealthy within a population means? Option A mortality, option B morbidity, option C fertility, option D none of these. Correct answer is option B morbidity. The state of being diseased or unhealthy within a population means. Correct answer is morbidity. Its explanation is morbidity is the state of being symptomatic or unhealthy for a disease or condition. It is usually represented or estimated using prevalence or incidence. Prevalence describes the proportion of the population with a given symptom or quality. Question number 3 is which one of the following is used in the treatment of blood cancer? Option A iodine 131, option B sodium 24, option C phosphorus 32, option D cobalt 60. Correct answer is cobalt 60. Cobalt 60 is used in the treatment of blood cancer. So for the treatment of blood cancer we use cobalt 60. Next question number 4, quinine, the effective medicine in the treatment of malaria, is extracted from. Quinine, the effective medicine in the treatment of malaria, is extracted from. Option A bark of cinnamon, option B bark of cinchona, option C leaves of ocimum, option D bark of acacia catechu. Correct answer is bark of cinchona. Quinine, the effective medicine in the treatment of malaria, is extracted from. Correct answer is bark of cinchona. Question number 5, infectious disease hospital floor should be. Infectious disease hospital floor should be option A 90 square feet, option B 100 square feet, option C 120 square feet, option D 144 square feet. Correct answer is 144 square feet. Infectious disease hospital floor should be. Correct answer is 144 square feet. Next question is amount of bleaching powder used for disinfection of well is. Option A 2.5 gram for 500 milliliter of water, option B 5 gram for 500 milliliter of water, option C 2.5 gram for 1000 liter of water, option D 5 gram for 1000 liter of water. Correct answer is option C 2.5 gram for 1000 liter of water. Amount of bleaching powder used for disinfection of well is. Correct answer is 2.5 gram for 1000 liter of water. Next question is the temperature of the incinerator is. What is the temperature of incinerator? Option A 1200 centigrade, B 1300 centigrade, C 1500 centigrade, D 1800 centigrade. Correct answer is option B 1300 centigrade. The temperature of the incinerator is. Correct answer is 1300 centigrade. Next question is fracture in old age is mainly due to. Fracture in old age is mainly due to option A fall, option B poor diet, option C menopause, option D osteoporosis. Correct answer is option D osteoporosis. Fracture in old age is mainly due to, correct answer is osteoporosis. Next question is ECT discovered by, who discovered ECT? Option A Duval, option D Carletti and Binney, option C Aristotle, option D Soranus. Correct answer is option B Carletti and Binney. So ECT is discovered by Carletti and Binney. Next question number 10. Polio immunizing vaccine was developed by, who developed polio immunizing vaccine? Option A E. Jenner, option B Dr. Salk, option C Sandhill, option D Landsteiner. Correct answer is option B Dr. Salk. Polio immunizing vaccine was developed by Dr. Salk. Next question 11. Who is the Chief Justice of India at present? Correct answer is the Justice Dhananjaya Y. Chandrachud, who entered office on 9 November 2022. So Chief Justice of India at present is Justice Dhananjaya Y. Chandrachud, who entered office on 9 November 2022. So present Chief Justice of India is Justice Dhananjaya Y. Chandrachud, who entered office on 9th November 2022. Next question is who is the Chief Election Commissioner of India at present? Correct answer is Rajiv Kumar. Chief Election Commissioner of India at present is Rajiv Kumar. Rajiv Kumar is appointed as the 25th Chief Election Commissioner of India and has taken the charge from 15th May 2022 onwards. Next question is what are the countries that are part of the I2U2 grouping? Correct answer is India, Israel, UAE and US. The countries that are part of the I2U2 grouping are India, Israel, UAE and US. Next question is in which year is India expected to become the most populated country in the world? Correct answer is 2022. In 2023, India is expected to become the most populated country in the world. So in 2023, that is next year, the India is expected to become the most populated country in the world. Next question is what is the full form of SARS-CoV-2? What is the full form of SARS-CoV-2? Correct answer is Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome Coronavirus 2. Full form of SARS-CoV-2 is Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome Coronavirus 2. Its explanation is SARS-CoV-2 is the coronavirus that causes COVID-19 coronavirus disease 2019. The respiratory illness responsible for the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. The virus previously had a provisional name 2019 novel coronavirus 2019 nCoV and has also been called human coronavirus 2019 SCOV-19 or SCOV-19, first identified in the city of Wuhan, Hubei, China. The World Health Organization declared the outbreak a public health emergency of international concern on 13 January 2020 and a pandemic on 11 March 2020. Next question is 16. Where is the headquarters of WHO situated? Correct answer is headquarters of WHO is situated in Geneva, Switzerland. Headquarters of WHO is situated in Geneva, Switzerland. So the headquarters of World Health Organization, that is WHO, is in Geneva, Switzerland. Its explanation is World Health Organization headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland. It has 6 regional offices and 150 field offices worldwide. The WHO was established on 7th April 1948. The first meeting of the World Health Assembly (WHO), the agency's governing body, took place on 24th July of that year. Next question is where is the headquarters of UNICEF situated? Where is the headquarters of UNICEF? Its answer is New York City, USA. Headquarters of UNICEF is situated in New York City, USA. Its explanation is UNICEF, also known as the United Nations Children Fund, is a United Nations agency responsible for providing humanitarian and development aid to children worldwide. The agency is among the most widespread and recognizable social welfare organizations in the world, with a presence in 192 countries and territories. Next question is 18. Where is the Serum Institute of India situated? Correct answer is Pune, India. Serum Institute of India is situated in Pune, India. Its explanation is Serum Institute of India (SII) is an Indian biotechnology and biopharmaceuticals company. It is the world's largest manufacturer of vaccines, located in the city of Pune, India, and was founded by Cyrus Poonawalla in 1966. The company is a subsidiary of the holding company Cyrus Poonawalla Group. Question number 19. Who is the CEO of Microsoft at present? Its answer is Satya Nadella. Satya Nadella is the CEO of Microsoft at present. Its explanation is Satya Narayan Nadella, born 19 August 1967, is an Indian-born American business executive. He is the executive chairman and CEO of Microsoft, succeeding Steve Ballmer in 2014 as CEO and John W. Thompson in 2021 as chairman. Before becoming CEO, he was the executive vice president of Microsoft's Cloud and Enterprise Group, responsible for building and running the company's computing platforms. Question number 20. Which actress is associated with the MWS Foundation? Which actress is associated with the MWS Foundation? Correct answer is Shabana Azmi. Shabana Azmi is associated with MWS Foundation. Its explanation is Mijwan Welfare Society. MWS is one of the oldest organizations in Uttar Pradesh and was started by renowned Urdu poet Kafi Azmi in 1933. Currently former member of parliament and the national award winning actress Mrs. Shabana Azmi is the president of the Mijwan Welfare Society. MWS works on different thematic areas including girls' education, women empowerment, disaster relief and rehabilitation, and sustainable livelihood. Rozgar Dhaba is one of the key initiatives of the Mijwan Welfare Society. Next question is, what is the causative agent for dengue? Answer is, the primary causative agent of dengue is female Aedes mosquitoes. Female Aedes mosquitoes is the causative agent for dengue. Its explanation is dengue fever is caused by the dengue virus transmitted by female Aedes mosquitoes. It is common in tropical and subtropical regions of the world. These dengue mosquitoes thrive in and around human habitats and usually bite during daytime. Every year, nearly 400 million people get infected with dengue fever all over the world. Since one of the four dengue virus 1, 2, 3, 4 can be one of the causes of dengue fever. This virus can infect an individual as many as 4 times in a lifetime. Next question is, first COVID-19 patient was found in which state of India? Its answer is Kerala. First COVID-19 patient was found in Kerala. Its explanation is, the first case of COVID-19 pandemic in Kerala, which was also the first reported case in all of India, was confirmed in Thrissur on 30th January 2020. Next question is, Bacillus calmette guerin BCG vaccine is a vaccine primarily used against. Correct answer is tuberculosis TB. Bacillus calmette guerin BCG vaccine is a vaccine primarily used against Its answer is tuberculosis, TB. Explanation is Bacillus calmette-guerin. BCG vaccine is a vaccine primarily used against tuberculosis, TB. It is named after its inventors Albert Calmette and Camille Guerin. In countries where tuberculosis or leprosy is common, one dose is recommended in healthy babies as soon after birth as possible. Next question is, who is the Health Minister of India at present? Its answer is Mansukh L. Mandaviya. Its explanation is Dr. Mansukh Lakshmibai Mandaviya, born 1st June 1972, is an Indian politician currently serving as the Minister of Health and Family Welfare and Chemical and Fertilizer of India. He is also a Rajya Sabha member from Gujarat. Next question is, what is the temperature required for BCG storage? Its answer is 2 to 8 degrees centigrade. Temperature required for BCG storage is 2 to 8 degrees centigrade. Next question is, who was the first Health Minister of India? Its answer is Princess Amrit Kaur. Princess Amrit Kaur was the first Health Minister of India. Its explanation is, in 1947, Jawaharlal Nehru called upon Kaur to join his cabinet as the first Health Minister of independent India. Kaur was also among the few women who were part of the Constituent Assembly. As Kaur took over the health portfolio, a post she would retain for 10 years, she helped lay the foundation of AIIMS. Next question is, how much population does PSC covers in hilly areas? Its answer is 20,000. One PSC is to cover a population of 20,000 in hilly or tribal or difficult areas and 30,000 in plain areas. As per minimum requirement, a PSC is to be named by a medical officer supported by 14 paramedical and other staff. Next question is, latest national health policy comes under? Answer is 2017. Latest national health policy comes under 2017. Its explanation is, the primary aim of the National Health Policy 2017 is to inform, clarify, strengthen and prioritize the role of the government in shaping health systems in all its dimensions: investment in health, organization of healthcare services, prevention of disease and promotion of good health through cross-sectoral actions, access to technologies, developing human resources, encouraging medical pluralism, building knowledge base, developing better financial protection strategies, strengthening regulation and health assurance. So thanks for watching this video.